Hello, we haven't done this for a while.
दोस्तों,
and I have great confidence in India. Incredible people and an incredible country. So thank you very much.
Whoa, and after this 1.3 billion Indians are like,
I am relaxed. I am
Yes.
happy. I am relaxed. Boo, 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 boo.
but the fact is, we all know both Hillary and Trump are dumb fucks.
For all of the people in Mumbai, the attack on Indian Parliament, absolutely outrageous and terrible.
और पैंचो अमीरों के राहुल गांधी पार्लियामेंट मुंबई में नहीं दिल्ली में है पैंचो. And come on, who on earth says things like this about his own daughter?
Ivanka weren't my daughter, perhaps I'd be dating her. You know.
Oh, it's so weird.
सुनिए जी, सुना बहनचोद. पहले जो ना ट्रम्प आम आदमी पार्टी में था. अरे सच बोल रहा हूँ, सुन तो लो. फिर है ना, इसकी हरकतें देख के हमने इसे यूएस भेज दिया. अब वो वहाँ लोगों के राशन कार्ड बनाता है.
Guys, this is actually disturbing.
Donald, with your daughter?
Well, I was going to say sex, but I can't relate that.
क्या बापू चुती है?
इनी मीनी माइनी मो, इस हवस के पुजारी को मेरी आने वाली फिल्म में कास्ट कर दो. Trump family is equal to Bhatt family. Oh, पैंचो, कुछ नहीं तो कुर्सी के साथ संभोग. And yeah, this thing became his trademark now.
This guy is so high, he's masturbating under the podium. Cheap guy. He needs to chill.
And now, greed for TRPs.
you'll either apologize to them or you leave my program.
What apologies?
Right now.
This guy is so ashamed and clueless.
No.
Right now.
Listen one thing.
Right.
Like you masturbating and someone caught you in public.
No, listen one thing. Mr. Badal, stop!
Oh, पैंचो, न्यूज आर की डॉली बिंद्रा को देखो.
Mr. Badal, stop!
What is?
You know, I've had it from...
Oh, come on, he should stop this nonsense now.
No.
Right now.
Listen one thing.
Right now, Mr.
Listen
Badal.
one.
The entire country knows this guy is arrogant.
You
No
said to them...
personal
If you disagree with him, he will insult you.
Shamelessly sits on the program.
पैंचो, फिर भी अपनी बेइज्जती कराने चले जाते हैं माई ओए.
You just can dance on your tone. Tone.
Wait, what did he say?
Tone.
Tool?
Tone.
Oh, so all the panel members are dancing on Mr. Goswami's stool.
Tone.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. इस शो का नाम न्यूज आर नहीं, न्यूड आर रख दो.
Let me tell you, this guy is virgin. Or not having sex on a daily basis. Because he's so frustrated. Look at him.
This now, it's not a joke. And many points of time...
He needs to chill.
And why he got the Y security? Let's solve the mystery now. Let me tell you guys, this is just the beginning of News R. This is phase 1.
Throw me out. How you can talk like this?
Let me show you the future of News R. Phase 2. Phase 3. Shoes. And phase 4. Sorry, Mr. Goswami, you were not letting me speak. That's why I killed you. And here I solved the mystery. That's why I got the Y security.
Satya, did you die?
Instead of giving him Y security, government should give a good raise to DD News staff. Trust me, they are more sensible.
You will not respond in a frivolous manner.
पैंचो है वही लौंडा जो स्कूल और कॉलेज में बहुत जूते खाता है और बड़ा होकर अपनी खुन्नस लोगों पे ऐसे निकालता है.
Mr. Badal, stop!
एक मिनट जी. अटैक मुझ पे हो रहे हैं और मोदी जी ने उसे वाई सिक्योरिटी दे दी. ये सही नहीं है जी. इसीलिए ना मैं मार लूंगा खुद को.
Mr. Badal, stop!
Now the GOW version of that. Chup, भोसड़ी के. Let me tell you, I'm an Anurag Kashyap fan, but 15 tweets.
What made Kashyap's tweets even more controversial?
Mr. Narendra Modi, sir, you haven't said sorry for your trip to meet the Pakistani PM. It was December 25th. Same time Kejo was shooting Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Why?
Wait, I'm not a bhakt, but come on, this is not the right way. You can't ask the PM for everything.
ओ पैंचो, मेरी टट्टी में पानी नहीं आ रहा. मोदी जी मैं क्या करूं? हैशटैग कहाँ है अच्छे दिन?
Shh, but wait, he's making sense here.
अगर फवाद खान को आप भेजना चाहते हो ऑफिस, ठीक है, भेज दो. अगले नेक्स्ट 5 स्टेप्स बताओ क्या करोगे.
Exactly. So let's not boycott this movie, guys. Come on. And on social media, people are using his own movie dialogues against him. Yes, after this tweet, they're searching Mr. Kashyap like this.
पैंचो रोजी पटने के बाद भी पप्पी नहीं दे रही है. मोदी जी क्या करूं? कहाँ है अच्छे दिन?
But jokes apart, he's a great director and we respect him. We are blessed that we have a director like him in our country.
Hey, don't say anything to Anurag. He's the best client. His weed budget is double than his movie budget. Always high. Best guy. सुनो अनुराग भाई, मैं आपकी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. क्यों उंगली कर रहे हो? मैंने एक प्रूफ मांगा था, अभी तक बरनौल लगा रहा हूँ. चुपचाप काम करो ना यार.
पाता कौन पाता?
तू पाता.
But if you notice, there is a small greed behind all this. Greed to become a good friend. So basically, it's a game of greed. His greed is to become a US president. He wants to shout and he wants to help his friend. And we are sitting here wasting our time and talking about them. That's why she was right. Because she has the answer of the universe. Her quotes always help us to find the solution of every problem. Yes, I'm obsessed with her. So one more time. Because she is always right.
ये बहन चो सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं, मादर चौथ के बच्चे इतने गांड फटी के ये बड़वे.
So thank you so much for watching the show, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, press the subscribe button, and thanks everyone. So many heartwarming messages about the show. Yes, we certainly want your support. If you want to see more of us, please inform people about the show. Really love you all. And yeah, I'm not the only one who is obsessed with the abusive auntie. She has 1 million fans already, and one of them has created a masterpiece. Don't miss that.
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट. अब गवर्नमेंट में कुछ नहीं है. बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट में कुछ नहीं है. कड़वे कड़वे. के बच्चे